Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a halal style chicken and rice. This recipe includes chicken, yellow rice, white sauce, and red sauce. This dish has so much bold flavors you don't want to miss out on. And before we start, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time there is a new recipe. Now let's start. Start by marinating the chicken. I got here 4 chicken thighs that I cut into cubes. Add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and half tablespoon of olive oil. For the seasonings, you will need 3/4 teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Combine the marinade really well with the chicken. Now cover and set this aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauces. For the white sauce, I got here half cup of yogurt. To the yogurt, add in 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. One teaspoon of water, or you can also use vinegar, and half teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir this sauce really well. And refrigerate this while we make the red sauce. In a blender, add in 1 tomato, 3 to 4 dry chili depending on your spice level, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also add in half teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of water or vinegar. Blend this really well and then transfer it into a bowl and refrigerate. Now to cook the rice, place a large saucepan over medium heat. Add in 2 cups of chicken stock, 1.5 cups of water, 2 cups of basmati rice that is washed and soaked in cold water for 15 minutes, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir this really well. Now cover and cook this rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to not overcook the rice. While the rice is cooking, cook the chicken. Place a pan over medium heat and add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add in the marinated chicken. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Once the chicken is well cooked, transfer it into a bowl or plate. Now this rice is cooked. Run a fork through the rice and it should fluff up. Now it's time to serve. In each serving plate, add in the rice first. Then add in a good amount of chicken to one side of the rice, and also add in lettuce and tomatoes if you like. Now drizzle the white sauce over the chicken and the rice. And do the same with the red sauce. Now this halal style chicken and rice is ready to enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more flavorful recipes. And to see my other recipes, make sure to click one of these or this one, and to subscribe, click right here. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!